The Ministry of Education, Te Tāhuhu o Te Mātauranga, spends over $1 billion each year on New Zealand schools. We build new schools and we repair, refurbish and redevelop hundreds of existing schools. We also manage the school property portfolio to provide quality learning environments for all New Zealand's ākonga. Redeveloping a school is a big undertaking for everyone. We work closely with schools and their boards to ensure we deliver facilities that support their vision for teaching and learning. For each project, an asset or delivery manager will work with the school to manage the project. The school's property advisor will also be involved throughout the process. Schools should be involved with the design process as they will be using the facilities. Some schools may need a unique design to fit their needs. Other schools may find one of our proven reference designs as an efficient option for them. Once we have a plan, we partner with design and engineering specialists to make sure the design meets the New Zealand Building Code. The Ministry also has its own design standards which include weather tightness, heating, lighting, acoustics, and ventilation. Redevelopment can have a big impact on a school. Some disruptive work can be done during school holidays, but schools are busy places and construction work needs to factor in school operations. We work closely with schools to plan for the safety of everyone during construction. Plans can cover temporary classroom space, police vetting of contractors, or site access controls. We follow a number of processes to assure the quality of a redevelopment. These include design reviews, checks during construction, and post-occupancy evaluations. Once the building is finished, the local consenting authority approves and grants it a Certificate of Public Use, or Code Compliance Certificate. The building is now ready for the school to use. If you're starting a redevelopment at your school, your asset or delivery manager and property advisor will support you through all aspects of the project. It's a challenging yet rewarding journey, and we'll be with you every step of the way.